just a quick video of my LED turn signals that I put in, and I'll show you how to blank, hyper fast flash. This is the 50 watt 6 ohm load resistor that I'll put on the light to slow it down. And as you can see, I have one almost installed right here. As you can see, this is spliced into the hot side of the turn signal right there. Then I'll solder it and then mount this one right here. On the instructions, they tell you to ground it. You can ground that to the frame of the car. Actually, you don't have to ground it to the other wire in order for it to work. But let me get this all wired up and I'll show you how it works. Alright, let me get this soldered up and I'll show you how to install it. Alright, this is how I do all my connections. I'll put some electrical tape on it after I solder it. Wrap it around. Not too much because you still want to put the heat shrink on it. Put that on there. Get my heat gun, heat shrink tubing. And I actually put another piece of heat shrink tubing over that. Right there. Make it even more waterproof, and just to protect the soldering joint. So it might be overkill, but that's how I do mine. This is that 50 watt. Can you see? 50 watt 6 ohm. Alright, you see the difference now in how the turn signal blank. It slowed it down. And let's see if I can show you where I mount it. The little resistor at right in there. And I grounded it right there. Like I said, you don't have to tap into a ground wire. You can ground it to the chassis and it still works that way. So that's that. That's one side. I have to finish the other side.